Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50 Pro Wi-Fi not connecting. So as you guys can see, the device right here is offline even though it is with me. So what we need to do here is we need to confirm that we are on the 2.4 GHz network. So as you guys can see, I have the network right here. It is also 5 GHz and 2.4 at the same time, so I know for a fact that it is working. Now what we need to do is we need to go over and forget about the device, because as you guys can see, we need to go over to three dots, swipe down and click on delete device at the bottom, confirm it by clicking OK. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna retry pairing after we restart the robot. So we need to hold these two buttons at the same time until we hear a confirmation from the robot that it has entered the network connection mode.
Turning on.
Now it is turned on, and if it does not go over into the network connection mode, we have to do it again. So let's hold it, and soon we should hear it entering the network connection mode.
Resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
So now it has entered finally the state that we've been waiting for. Let me quickly lower the brightness. And now we need to go over. It will discover the device automatically. Let's click pair now and make sure you are connected to the same network. I am connected. Now we're going to go over, click next, and it is scanning. So now it is uploading the information to the device, and we need to bring
to the network. Please wait.
We need to make sure that it is close enough to the router. Now, as you guys can see, everything works perfectly fine, and soon we should see that it has connected successfully. Here, we can set the room by using the living room or anything else, and of course, the next thing, the name. So I'll keep the name like this. As you guys can see, we need to agree. We can skip the guide, and now we are connected to our robot. So now it is loading, and in a second, we should see everything just like that. So we need to basically retry the pairing, and of course we can reset the Wi-Fi just like I did, and that's how you guys can easily fix the issue with the Wi-Fi not connecting. It's just a simple reset and repair. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.